Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Audi A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, panic alarm, leather seats, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.